What is going on, guys? Today we got the price prediction for Bitcoin, right? So I'm just going to go into a couple of reasons, a little bit of explanation, as well as give you a time frame of when I think it's going to happen. And basically, if you guys don't know who I am the kid that ended up well, back then I was, that predicted back when Bitcoin was at 5,000, that would have hit 20,000, and I got it right within the month, within the week, and almost on the exact day. So yeah, that's basically what I'm known for in the crypto market sphere. But yeah, let's just get into this. So basically, Bitcoin, if you guys don't know, it does a decently similar pattern, or at least this is a pattern that I have seen it do. And this is a pattern that I'm playing with Bitcoin, right? I'm using it like a fiddle. I'm playing it like a fiddle basically right now. So you guys know Bitcoin ended up hitting highs of $64,000. Now I sadly did not sell at $64,000. I did end up selling at around 60 to almost $61,000, and I'm very happy with that. Now, why would I sell, right? Bitcoin's future. I agree with that statement. However, there's a couple of things that I want to mention. So, for example, let's say you start out with one Bitcoin, right? Let's say you bought it at almost 20,000 at the previous high or something like that, right? So if I buy at 20, or let's say 10,000, because I'll just use my example, right? So $10,000 for one Bitcoin. You then sell at $60,000, right? So now it's amazing, right? Obviously, it's six times your money. It's great. Now the price is currently at 31,000. I still think currently it will still drop a little bit more. So that's why I haven't fully loaded back into my position. I have bought back one and a half. I'm still waiting to buy back more. But yeah, so basically, if I sell at 60, now I have $60,000 for my original $10,000 investment. Now, let's just use the $30,000 price that it went down to, basically right around here. So if I do that, then I now have two Bitcoin if I buy at 30. So now, if the next price jump that happens, it reaches 100, 120, $140,000. Well, you now have two Bitcoin, right? So instead of just having 140,000, you now have 280,000. That's how I am currently doing it. Now, I will continue to load my entire position because right now I still think, and this is a major factor, because unless it shows an uptrend, then I will buy back into the mid 30s. But I highly think that it will basically continue to crash down into the mid to low 20s, and then from that point make new highs into the 100 to $140,000 here. Now, what is the time range on this? Now that we have a price kind of narrowed down to 100 to $140,000, so basically at that point, then we can basically assume, since it's been doing the same pattern in a sense. So last bull run was 2017, if I'm not mistaken. Let's check it out here. It was 2017. So from 2017 to 2018. So 3 years later, same exact thing, right? So now, what can we assume? That within the next 2 to 3 years, right, depending on how the economics continue to work right now and the economy continues to work around the world, that does have a little effect. That's why I did say I might buy back in the mid 30s if it shows an uptrend, right? Currently, it's right now consolidating on lower highs, as you guys can see. If I were to draw a line, it would be from, as you can see, lower highs just kind of continued. You see high, 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 high. So it's like just making lower highs, but it's not really making too much lower lows in a sense, a little bit. But again, it's kind of consolidating, so it'll be interesting to see. But again, that is again why I said I might buy back into the mid 30s. However, if it does go down to the mid to low 20s and everything stays the same economics wise, then basically I think 2 to 3 years it will reach that 100 to 140. Now, the economy can play a huge role in this, and I really think it will. So I feel like this process will be sped up a lot faster, right? We might even be able to see, and this is a very, very big might, 100K Bitcoin in the year 2021 at the very end. Now, again, this is a very big might, and it depends a huge amount on the economy, how the stock market, gold market, all of that reacts, and how much money they're printing, as well as the rest of the world economy. So, that is a big what if in a sense. That's like a 1 out of 10 chance, but it is still a chance. So, however, if it now then drops down to the low to mid 20s, then I think this will take a lot longer than 2021. However, if the economy continues at this rate, it has continued, then I think the next bull run could be at around the end of 2022, beginning of 2023. If not, then it'll be between 2023 and 2024, so at the latest. So either way, it's a very good chance. So one of the things, again, I'm currently waiting on. Again, right now I have 1.5. I had 3. I sold 3 at 60. So now I have $180,000. Where I'm waiting to rebuy. So if I bought all at 30, I could get 6 instead of 3. However, obviously, if I can get it in the low to mid 20s, then I can have almost 10. And then when it moves up to that 100, 140 range, then I can sell my 10. I'll have over $1 million. And then wait for that dip, buy again, put all of that back in there, and just repeat that process, right? It's like playing a violin. But yeah, so that's the way I'm looking at it. That is the way that I'm doing at it. But another strategy you can do, I'm kind of doing it, but not truly, is you can dollar cost average. I do this with all my different coins, where you can just put in 100, 200, 300, however much you want to put in, basically, every single week on a Monday, a Wednesday, or a Friday. And then you just let that carry you, or you can even say, you know what, I'll do $75 a week. So you do $25 on a Monday, $25 on a Wednesday, $25 on a Friday, and then you just let that carry, or even 25 on a Saturday. So those are your couple of different options, but that's kind of the time frame that I have brought this down to, as well as the price range. Obviously, as more stuff continues to advance, and kind of update and more news comes out, obviously that range will get closer, that time frame will also get closer, but up until then, that is the best that I've gotten it down to. And either way, I'm going to look very forward to all of it, and I'm just basically going to be sticking to my plan. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little price prediction breakdown and reasoning behind why I think it's going to do what it's going to do. Don't forget to get all the free links down below. It'll give you free crypto, free stocks, free money, all of it. Join the Discord if you guys want to get some alerts on trading, be it crypto, be it stocks, anything basically. And besides that, don't forget to sub and like, and I will see you guys tomorrow with another video. Peace out, guys.